Looking to supercharge your laptop's performance? Look no further than the G.Skill Ripjaws DDR4 64GB 3200MHz memory kit. With a whopping 64GB capacity spread across two 32GB SODIMM modules, this kit is designed to take your laptop to the next level. First off, let's talk about the sheer size of this memory kit. With 64GB of DDR4 memory at your disposal, multitasking becomes a breeze. Whether you're running demanding applications, editing high-resolution videos, or just juggling a multitude of browser tabs, this memory kit ensures smooth performance without any lag or slowdowns. But it's not just about the size. The Ripjaws DDR4 kit also boasts a speedy 3200MHz memory speed. This means data transfer rates are lightning fast, resulting in quicker load times for your applications and games. Say goodbye to frustrating waiting times and hello to instant responsiveness. Moreover, the CL22 latency ensures efficient communication between the memory and the CPU, optimizing overall system performance. Plus, with a low operating voltage of just 1.2 V, you can enjoy improved energy efficiency without compromising on performance. Installation is a breeze thanks to the SODIMM form factor, making it compatible with a wide range of laptops. Whether you're a casual user looking to boost productivity or a power user pushing your machine to its limits, the G.Skill Ripjaws DDR4 64GB 3200MHz memory kit delivers the performance you need. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the ultimate laptop memory upgrade, the G.Skill Ripjaws DDR4 64GB 3200MHz kit is hard to beat. With its massive capacity, blazing fast speed, and seamless compatibility, it's a game-changer for anyone looking to unlock the full potential of their laptop. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.